Some Caterpillar 3208 remover out of this 1890 New Holland salvage chopper, and it's coming out pretty good. I was going to save the hoses, but I'm going to have to get new hoses because they're all brittle. But under that red paint, there is a Caterpillar 3208. Pretty sure. I don't know any other motor painted yellow. Oh yeah, right there. Right there. That confirmed it right there. Guys, there's a hole in the valve cover over there, so I don't know if I did that or that was already like that. Hopefully I did that, or else this motor's junk. When I was ripping the top off this thing, I might have hit it there. Let's see. Yeah, I think I did that. And then there's a exhaust over there I gotta cut. But we're getting there. We're getting to the point we're gonna have to start unbolting stuff and get this motor out of this chopper. Go put it by the shop, start working on another one. I don't think it's seized up, but I don't think I'll be able to turn it over by hand because it's a diesel. So I don't know. Coming out pretty good. Thanks for stopping by.